Combo Kit by Codolci is a reliable and high-quality lighting solution for your vehicle. With a color temperature of white hash 1004, these bulbs offer a bright and clear illumination that enhances visibility on the road, promoting safety during nighttime driving. The bulbs are designed to be durable, with an operating life of 50,000 hours, ensuring long-lasting performance and value for money. The package includes 2 bulbs, making it convenient for replacing both bulbs at once or keeping a spare for future use. The Codolci car bulbs. Combo Kit is easy to install, fitting seamlessly into the H11/H8/H9 bulb sockets without the need for any modifications. With an item weight of 5.6 ounces and package dimensions of 7.05 inches, 4.76 inches, 1.93 inches, these bulbs are compact and lightweight. As a manufacturer of automotive lighting solutions, Codolci has a reputation for quality and innovation. The model number QOCD 1042PC and manufacturer part number QOCD 100508 ensure
/H8/H9 fog light bulbs by Car Sparkle deliver a remarkable lighting experience with its impressive specifications. Designed to be 800% brighter than standard bulbs, these bulbs emit a cool white 6,500 K light at a brightness of 20,000 LM while consuming only 20 W of power. The Car Sparkle bulbs ensure durability with an operating life of 8,000 hours, making them a reliable choice for long-term use. The model QLH11 features a wattage of 50 watts and comes as a single item package. The sleek black color and painted exterior add a touch of style to your vehicle while enhancing visibility on the road. With a focus on performance and quality, Car Sparkle, the manufacturer of these bulbs, has ensured that the QLH11 model meets the highest standards. At a weight of 7.4 ounces and compact dimensions of 5.83 inches, 4.13 inches, 2.01 inches, these bulbs are easy to install and compatible with the auto part position on the right side. In conclusion, the Car Sparkle 2023 Upgrade H11
8/H9 9005/HB3 LED bulbs by Fit Motors are a top-quality lighting solution designed to enhance visibility on the road. With outstanding technical specifications and reliable performance, these LED bulbs are a worthy addition to any vehicle. Technical details: brand, Fit Motors, brightness, 32000 lumen, wattage, 160 watts, item package quantity, 1, voltage, 12 volts, auto. Part position, front. Operating life, 5,000 hours. Manufacturer, Fit Motors. Item, weight, 10.5 ounces. Package dimensions, 6.14 x 5.71 x 1.85 inches. Manufacturer, part number, 064LH. The Fit Motors H11/H8/H9 9005/HB3. LED bulbs deliver an impressive 32000 lumen of brightness, ensuring clear visibility in various driving conditions. With a wattage of 160 watts, these bulbs provide a powerful and efficient lighting solution. Thanks to their 50,000-hour operating life, you can rely on these LED bulbs for long-lasting performance, reducing the need for frequent replacements. The 12-volt voltage H13/9008 light bulbs by Terminator are a high-quality lighting solution designed for automotive use. With a powerful brightness of 3,000 lumen, these bulbs offer exceptional visibility on the road, enhancing safety during nighttime driving. These light bulbs have a voltage of 12 volts DC and come in a vehicle-specific fit, making them compatible with a wide range of vehicles. The operating life of 6,000 hours ensures long-lasting performance, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Manufactured by Terminator, a reputable brand known for producing reliable auto parts, these light bulbs are built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Weighing only 9.1 ounces and with dimensions of 4.96 inches, 4.84 inches, 2.36 inches, they are compact yet powerful, delivering excellent lighting performance. Overall, the 2024 upgraded H13/9008 light bulbs are a smart choice for drivers looking for a durable, high-performance lighting solution for their vehicles. Whether your commute.
Light bulbs, or DRL, is a top-notch product offering from Auxito, designed for optimal performance as fog lights on vehicles. Featuring a cool white color temperature, these LED bulbs operate at 12 volts DC and provide a vehicle-specific fit for seamless installation. The front-facing auto part position ensures maximum visibility and safety in foggy conditions. With an impressive operating life of 50,000 hours, these LED fog light bulbs guarantee long-lasting use, making them a reliable choice for drivers looking for durability and quality. Weighing only 7.8 ounces and with package dimensions of 4.37 inches, 4.17 inches, 2.32 inches, the compact design of these bulbs adds to their convenience and ease of installation. The item model number H8/H11/H16 and manufacturer part number WSBOE11 WDM further emphasize the product's attention to detail and accuracy in fitment. Overall, the Auxedo H11/H8/H16 LEDF